in the situation that we all see, it's that also parents are stressed out. Parents are going through hardship. Parents are going through so much in their lives, so they end up not providing not being present for the kids because they don't want to, but because maybe they are too busy and they're too tired. So the more the parents can get helped to be able to have emotional regulation themselves, the stronger they get emotionally, the better they can provide to the kids. Because if the kids are growing up in a household where they have they're showered with a lot of love, a lot of affection, a lot of attention, it's most likely that later on in their teenagerhood and when they grow up, they will be more balanced. But if the kids grow up in a family which is struggling emotionally, a lot of volatility in a family, it's most likely that kids will not be balanced when they grow up. So to prevent mental health, it has to start from home. Make sure that kids are growing up in a safe environment and healthy environment. Meaning that, and I'm not talking about wealthy here, I'm not talking about I'm talking about the little you have, your kids have to be happy. Make sure that you protect them from your stress, from your struggles. Make sure that when you come home, you are fully present to give them the attention they need. Get to know them, get to know how they think, what they are like, what they dislike, their desires. Get to just build that friendship.